It was a peaceful time in the world's history. Everything was calm and nice. But the horrible drought of 1427 caused the humans' demise and the rise of the Seagulls. The Seagulls built powerful machines to allow themselves to find water after the drought. For some weird, strange reason, they built the machines so that they looked like very stupid-looking humans. Who will win the epic fight for water?
You can run.
The players must use song titles from the band Flock of Seagulls to direct their machine towards the water. Each song title represents a certain movement, metaphorically representing the brains and ultimate power of the Seagull Horde.
What am I supposed to do? Okay, good. Alright. Remember, David. Alright, you can run. What am I supposed to do? You can run. Remember, Alright, you can run. You can run. Whole lot of loving. You're near the water. What am I supposed to do? Alright, move forward. Remember, David. You can run. Okay, love on your knees.
Tell him, love on your knees.
Love on your knees. The more you live, the more you love. Remember, David.
Oh wait, we didn't put one for Stan. Fuck.